first principle of lesson 22 is the sound of tem, T-E-M. In previous lesson, we discussed the sound of ten. So we will compare the sound of ten, T-N, and then the sound of tem, T and M. So by rounding off the angle between the T and M, we obtain the fluent blend of TM. Same with T and N, T, N. N is shorter than the TM. Okay, example, temper, P-R. Temporary, P-R-R-E. System, T-M. Attempt, A-tem-T. Item, long I, tem. Estimate, E-S, tem-A-T. Customer, K-U-U-S, tem-R. Tomorrow, tem-O-R-O. Next principle of lesson 22 is the sound of dem, D-E-M. So this is the same with T-M. So demand, dem-mand, dem, A-N-D. Demonstrate, dem, O-N-S-T-R-A-T. Demonstration, dem, O-N-S-T-R-A-tion. Seldom, S-E-L, dam, sound of DM. Freedom, F-R-E, dam, DM. Random, R-A-N-D-M. Domestic, D-M-E-S-T-E-K. Damage, dam, J. Medium, M-E-D-M. Lesson 22, isness abbreviation. So, dear Mrs. D-M-R-S. Dear Mr. D-M-R. Dear Miss, D-M-E-S. Dear Miss, D-M-S. So same sounds but then different abbreviation. Miss, M-I-S-S, and then M and S. Cordially yours, K-U-U. Yours sincerely, U-U-S-E-N. Next principle of lesson 22 is useful phrases. So let us observe to know. So this is the sound of T and N. So 10 O. To me, sound of T and M. T M E. To make, another sound of T and M. T M A K. To make. T M A K. Days of the week: Sunday, SN, Monday, MON, Tuesday, TUUS, Wednesday, UUENS, Thursday, underneath, RS, Friday, FR long I, Saturday, SAT. Month of the year: January, JN, February, FEB, March, MARJ, April, APREL, May, MA, June, JUUN, JUUL long I, August, OG, September, SEP, October, OKT, November, NOV, December, DES.